This is our embedded course project, the smart fridge.
Hi, I'm Radwa.
And I'm Salma. Now for a small demo of the project. As you can see here, the LCD screen shows that there is milk and there is apple. The green box is the box of apples and the red one is the box of milk. If I remove the box of apples, the screen will show that there are no apples, but there is still milk. Then, if I remove also the red box, there will be no apple and no milk. If I put back the box of apples, the screen will show that there is apple, but there is no milk. If I put back the box of milk, the screen will show that both of them are there.
And as you can see, the temperature is always displayed on the LCD, and it's now shown that it's 22 Celsius. And our room temperature is 24. Whenever the temperature rises over 24, the buzzer will make a sound. Let's try. And as you can see, it reached 25, more than 24 Celsius, so the buzzer will sound. Firstly, we took from the Arduino a common 5-volt VCC and ground and connected them here to the breadboard. First, the temperature sensor has 3 pins, VCC, ground, and the data pin, which is connected in the Arduino to pin A0. Then, the buzzer has 3 pins also, VCC, ground, and its data pin is connected to the Arduino in pin 13. The color sensor has 6 pins, VCC, ground, and the out, which is connected to pin A3 in the Arduino. And the LED pin in the color sensor, we didn't need it in our product, so it's not connected. And finally, our data pins from S0 to S3 are connected to the pins in the Arduino from pins A4 to A7. And now we sell.
Other color sensor, the red color sensor is connected in the same way as the first one, but to the pins 7, 8, 9, 10. The display has 16 pins. The first 2 are the VCC and ground of the logic board and are connected to the breadboard. The last 2 are the VCC and ground of the LED and are also connected to the breadboard. The third pin from the left is the VEE. It's connected to the ground. The fourth pin is the RS. It's connected to pin number 12 in the Arduino. Pin number 5 is the read and write. It's connected to the ground. Pin 6 is the enable. It's connected to pin 11 in the Arduino. Then pins DB0, DB1, DB2, DB3 are not connected to anything. Then pins DB4 to DB7 are connected to T2, 3, 4, 5 in the Arduino. And that's it.
Now the code. I'm Ruba and I'll be explaining the LCD and the color sensor code. Firstly, we include Liquid Crystal library as it's a default library, so you don't need to download it. Then we need to initialize the LCD. So we set the pins of the LCD, which is 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2. 12, which is the pin used for the RS of the LCD, then 11 for the enable, then pins 5, 4, 3, and 2 are the pins for D7 to D4 for the LCD. The setup initialize the LCD with 16.2, which is the type of LCD we used, and then we initialize the data pins for the 2 color sensors. In the loop method, we call color, which reads the intensity of the red and green color being detected from the color sensor. And we check if red less than 20, then we clear the LCD and set the cursor to 0 and 0, which is the beginning of our LCD, and then print that there is milk, so the product is detected. Else, we print that there is no milk. For the green color, we do the same thing, as we clear the LCD and set the cursor to 0 and 0, and detect the other product, which is apple, and so that we print on the LCD that there is apple, else there is no color detection, and the LCD prints there is no apple. And now with Ereeny.
I'm Ereeny and now I'll be explaining the code for handling the temperature part of the project. First, we have to include the DHT library, but since this is not a default library, then we will have first to download it from the Arduino site. Then to make it visible to the compiler, make a folder in the library folder located in the directory of your sketchbook and call it DHT. Then place the downloaded files in it. Then here we define here we define the DHT pin with A0, which is the pin number in the Arduino that is connected to the data pin in the temperature set. In the setup method, call the DHT.begin. Then in the loop, we will read the temperature in Celsius and place it in the variable T. Then print the temperature to the LCD screen. If the temperature is greater than 24, then we will write high to the buzzer, which is connected to pin 13, and this should make the buzzer sound. Else we will write low to the buzzer to turn it off.